Hi guys, my name is Simran Chauhan and today I'm going to discuss about the importance of feeling good now. So, how feeling good now attract all the things you desire effortlessly. First, dive into that. As you all know, our thoughts plus feeling shapes our reality. It creates our state of mind which help us to attract our desired reality. When you feel good now or the things you have already, when you feel grateful, happy, joyful, love, all these high vibrational frequency, then you attract the same reality related to that. How? Let's understand this also. At the end, let's dive into the end. If you desire anything, what is the end situation? It means what would you feel if you have it already? You will feel grateful, you will feel joyful, you will feel calm, some feel top of the world, right? When you feel this in the present moment or what you have it already, you will get that thing automatically, whatever you desire. That is the key. Think yourself as a walking radio station. Why? When you're feeling good, happy, joyful, grateful, all of this high vibrational frequency, you will attract the similar things. It means you will attract the same things which match that frequency, as happens with the radio. When you dial a channel, you will attract the same show, right? It happens with you as well. When you are in a high vibrational frequency, you will attract the things which make you high vibrational frequency more, which enhance your high vibrational frequency more. Let's understand this topic as well. So, how your vibrational frequency magnify and maintain? Look, universe only have two work: magnification and maintenance. Whatever frequency you emit, if you emit the frequency of love, grateful, joyful, happiness, then universe work is to maintain and magnify it. But it works on the same to reverse as well. If you are constant in a sad, low vibration frequency like anger, jealousy, all of that hate, then universe will do it work properly. It will magnify and maintain that frequency as well. Then you will never able to attract what you desire. Always remember, you are the cause. So change the channel and then you will receive the different show. You know what? That is the reason why rich get richer and poor get poorer. Because when you are in a state of wealthiness, when you are state in a abundance, then universe will magnify it and multiply it. But if you are in a state of lack, but if you are in a state of sadness, then universe will do it work properly. It will magnify that only. That is the reason why those who have already, they will bless more, and those who don't have it already, what they have already, it will be taken by the God because they are not grateful for what they have. You should be grateful for everything in your life. You should be grateful for what you have it already. Okay. Gratefulness is the key. A lot of you will be thinking, we can't feel good now all the time. We are humans. Many hardships occur. I understand that. But the thing is, change your perception. Whenever any hardship in your life occur, change your perception. You always think that life is happening to you. No, life is always happening for you. Everything always works out in your favor. When you have these kind of a mindset, then even a very hardship occur, even things are not going as well as you wanted to be, you will remain calm. You will remain in a knowing that everything always works out for me. When you have these kind of a mindset, nothing goes wrong because whatever you lose, it is a protection from the divine. It is a protection from the universe. So nothing is your lose. It's always a gaining, right? Never ever forgot that you are the creator, right? You are the cause and the reality are the effect. Change the frequency, then you will attract the different reality. Same with the radio station. If you change the channel, you will attract the different show, right? Same happens with you as well. You are the creator. You are the one who choose your reality. Everything exists. You have to choose it. You have to tune in to that frequency. That's why feeling good now is very important. You automatically get in alignment because whatever you desire, it led to the same feeling of happiness, joyful, grateful, high frequency emotions. If you feel it now, if you feel grateful for what you have right now, if you feel happy with it, you're automatically in alignment. If you have any query or question regarding to feeling good now topic, you can ask me in comment section, and also you can ask me about manifestation, energy, frequency, all of that questions that pop up in your mind, and I will try my best to answer you all of that. So this is my side. Thank you all of you for watching the video till the end. Bye. Wish you all good luck.